Yeah, let us start. Good morning.
His number.
Sorry. Sorry, beta.
Sir, page number.
Yeah, we are. Have you started the new chapter? Have you finished the decimals?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
The first of
Sir, we have to do chapter 13th chapter. Exercise 1.
Sir, we were on 13th chapter, bills.
Okay, keep your mics off, everyone. Now, Hargun is there. Hargun from 5th C. Hargun, beta, keep your mic. Just switch on your mic. Unmute yourself. Hargun. Hargun, are you there? Hargun,
Yes,
is
sir.
there. Beta. Hargun, tell me in chapter 13, have you started doing it? How many questions you have done?
Sir, 2.
I'm asking Hargun.
Sir,
Yes.
I was not able to attend last class as my phone.
You were not having your phone.
Sir,
Okay.
as there is a network problem, so I joined late in the class. So can you please tell is you have done something before
No,
it?
we have not done. We have not done anything. We are discussing that what we will do today. Okay. So,
Okay, sir.
yeah, Ishika is there? Ishika, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Beta Ishika, you tell me now till which question we have done in the chapter bills. Your voice is not coming, Ishika. Okay, Nandini is there. Nandini, switch on your mic. Where are you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, till which question we have done in the chapter bills?
Sir, we are doing the extra questions that 1 kg basmati rice cost itni. So, sir, we have done the solution.
This was from the chapter decimals. Have we started bills or not in this
No,
class?
sir. No, sir, we have not
In
started.
section two, we have not started.
Sir, we have started. Sir, we have started.
Explain
Sir, we have started. Sir, we have started and done 2 questions.
Listen to
Sir,
me.
we have started and done 2 questions.
Listen to me. I'm not asking 5B student. There are 2 sections sitting here in the class, 5B and 5C. In 5B, I know that I have started the chapter and we have done 2 questions. So right now I'm talking to the students of 5C. So in 5C, anyone from 5C, you tell me that we have not started the chapter bills.
Yes, sir, we have not started chapter bills. So, we have not started chapter bills.
Okay.
Yes,
Now 5B students. Okay. Now 5B students, in the chapter bills, we have done 2 questions. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. So now today we will start the revision of the chapters which are coming in the UTs. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir, we
there
have
are 2
not
chapters.
started the chapter bill.
Okay. So we will do the revision of the chapter fractions and decimals. First chapter
You
that is
have done.
coming in the syllabus is fractions, and the second one which is coming in the syllabus is decimals. These are the two chapters which you will see. Fractions is coming now, yes or no? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it is coming.
Yes, sir. It is coming. It's coming.
It is coming.
Yes,
8
sir.
and
It's
9
coming in
chapters
the.
are coming.
So you all have done fractions.
Yes, sir. It's a fraction and decimal. Yes, sir.
Any problem in the chapter fractions?
No, sir.
No problem. And anyone, do you want to ask anything from the chapter fraction? I think we have done the revision of fractions also. I gave you so many questions on the chapter fractions, extra questions were given. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Decimals revision is left.
Yes,
Fractions revision we have already done. The revision of the chapter decimals is left. Okay, so I will be giving you some extra questions of the chapter decimals. You will be doing those extra questions today. Okay. So, yeah.
Sir, in this period.
Yes, right now. What happened? No? No problem.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. How are you? Okay, so I will be showing you a question. I will be sharing my screen and I will be showing you a question. You have to write the number in expanded form. I hope you all know how to write a number in expanded form.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
I
sir.
will
Yes, sir.
be showing you a question now. So now I'm going to share my screen. Yeah. Can you all see the question on the screen? Write in
Yes, sir.
expanded form.
Yes, sir.
This is the number. Note down the question
Yes,
in your
sir.
copies, all of you. Note down this question in your copies. This is your first question. First extra question. Write the number in expanded form. Everyone will note down.
Sir, what do we write in heading?
These are revision extra questions. Revision extra questions. Abhiyan Duhan, stop using your drawing here.
When sir, we have to write the answers after writing questions or now only.
First, note down the question and then do this question first. Then I will give you more. Okay. Have you all written the questions?
Yes, sir.
Written.
Sir, written the question.
Okay, very good. Now you all do the question.
Sir, done the question.
Very good.
Sir,
What done the answer?
Okay, so in the same question, now you will do the second part. Same question, write the number in expanded form. That was the first part. Now note down the second part also. Again, going to share my screen. Yeah, can you all see the question on the screen? 143.011. 143.011. This is the question. 143.011.
Sir, can you please tell that which is the first number before this number?
Sorry?
Sir, which is the first number of this question, right?
Sir,
Expanded form.
done. 3,409.105 is the first question.
Please.
This is the first part. You can see 3,479.105. This is the first part. Those who have not written the first part, this is the first one.
Sir,
Sir, done answer second.
your sound is. Sir,
Yes,
sir, your sound is not coming clear.
beta, there is a network problem at your end. It is coming clear to others. Okay, so this is the second one, 143.011. Done both the questions?
Yes, sir.
Sir, please wait.
Yes, sir. Sir, done the answer also. Sir, we have to do that. Sir, we have to make this place value child and then we have to do.
No, beta, you don't have to make the place value chart. You can directly do the question.
Okay, sir.
So these were the two parts of this question. Now, second question I'm going to tell you. You will all note down the second question.
Sir, please.
Again, sharing the screen. Yeah, can you all see the question? Second one. Write
Yes, sir.
as decimal fraction.
Yes, sir.
Write as decimal fractions. So you have to write the numbers in decimals simply. Write the numbers in decimals. So that means you have to do the opposite thing now. The numbers are already written in expanded form and you have to convert them in decimals. Clear? In the
Sir,
last,
there were only two questions in the first question.
there were only two parts in the first question. In the first question, you
Okay.
wrote the decimal numbers in expanded form. Now in the second question, the numbers which are given in the question are already in expanded form. You have to write them in decimals. That means you have to do the opposite thing. Okay, so are you all ready for the question? First part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me give you the
Yes,
first
sir.
part.
Yes, sir.
So this is your first part. $400 plus 50 plus 1 plus 9 upon 100. This is the first part.
Sir, done the answer.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Very good.
Sir, done.
I hope you all are noting the questions also. Are you all noting down the questions also?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very
Sir,
good.
also.
Sir, done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, second part of the question. Be ready for the second part.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Can you all see the second part now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
800 plus 70 plus 2 plus 8 upon 10 plus 5 upon 1000.
Sir, done the answer.
Sir, done.
Very good. Have
Sir,
you all
done.
written the question, all of you?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
please.
Yes, sir.
No, sir, please.
No.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Please show again second.
Okay. Again. Note down the question in your copies first, then do the answer.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, noted down.
Sir, done second part also.
Okay.
Sir, noted answer 2 also.
Okay. Now you all have to, in the next question, it's okay, I will show you the question, you will understand. Again, two parts are there in the question. This is your question number 3. Here it is written 4, but it is not 4, it is 3. Okay. So don't get confused. We have done 2 questions. Now the third question is this. This is question number 3, not 4. So do the correction. It is question number 3. Instead of 4, make it 3. Write the place value of the underlined digits. You have to write the place value.
Sir, please tell the question as I am seeing the screen. It is coming only black.
Huh?
Sir, please tell the question 3 again.
Question is
As
write
there is a
the
network problem, so I can't see the question.
I
There
am
is only black.
telling you the question. You note down. Write the place value of the underlined digit. Write the place value of the underlined digit.
Sir, we have to make place value done.
No, you don't have to make the place value chart. You just have to write the place value of the digit which is underlined. Bus. No
Okay,
need to
sir.
make the place value chart.
Sir, I have
The
done.
place value of the underlined digit. So the first part
Sir,
is
I can connect with laptop and leave this meeting for a while.
yes. First part is 2.47, and
Wait.
in this you have to underline the digit 7. Underline the digit 7.
Can you please
2.7.
send the third part?
Second part is 11.003. Second part is 11.003.
Sir, please tell the third part.
Beta, there are only 2 parts of this question. Second part is 11.003 and
No, sir, I am saying
question
write a decimal fraction.
no, second
Write in decimal fraction.
that question also had only 2 parts.
Please.
There are 2 parts of each question.
Sir, done.
So this is
Okay, sir. Means, sir,
Question number 3.
all 2 question has 2 parts.
yes. All the
Sir,
questions.
please share the screen.
Sir, means
You want me to share the screen again? Okay. Second part is 11.003.
Sir, I have done.
Please underline.
Sir, I have done
Sir,
both the
please-
questions.
please tell the question 3 again.
Question 3 is write the place value of the underlined digit. Write the place value of the underlined digit. First part is 2.47. In this, you have to underline the digit 7. 2.47. 7 को underline कर लो. Second part is 11.003. 11.003. In this, you have to underline the digit 3. Okay. So these are the 2 parts. Now the
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Excuse
Yes. Yes. Any problem?
me.
Yes. Please tell.
Sir.
Yes.
So,
I'm listening.
what problem of decimal?
Sorry. Okay, ready for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, just wait. Hearing the next question now. So this is your question number 4. Question 4, note down. You have to compare these numbers. That means you have to tell which one is greater, which is less than. Greater than or less than sign you have to insert.
So we have to do this one copy.
Huh?
Sir, it is question number 4.
Yes, question number 4.
Okay, sir.
Sir, please share your screen.
Sir, please share the screen again.
Sir, please share the screen.
Sir, please share the screen.
Sir, please share the screen again.
Yes, beta. Yes. Yeah. Can you all see the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, this is question number 13.
This is question number 4.
Feeling
Question,
well,
don't
sir.
see the question number here. It is question number 4. This is not question number 13. It is 4.
Okay, sir.
Sir, it's question number 4.
Yes, it is question number 4.
Sir, done.
Sir, in 3 we have done only 2 parts because I have connected.
But please wait, I am doing this one. As I was disconnected.
Yes, there were only 2 parts in question number 3 also. In question 1, question 2, and question 3, there were 2 parts, and in question 4, there are 4 parts.
Sir, I have done.
Sir, I have done.
Very good.
Sir, done.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please show the extra questions word problem of basmati rice.
Extra questions. What problem of basmati? That was done in the last class, I think.
Sir, I was not able to see the screen.
Beta, you can ask for that question from your friends. Okay. They
Okay,
will.
sir.
Someone please send this. Who's this? May I know the name? Who wanted this?
Sir, done. Sir, done.
Very good.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Very good.
Sir, done.
Very good, beta.
Sir, please share the screen again. I have not done the last
Beta, why
question.
are you not quickly noting down the questions? Again and again, you are asking me to share the screen. Yeah. Can you see it now? This is question 4. Note down the question first, quickly.
Yes, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir, done.
Yeah. So next question I will be sharing now. Okay, next one. Yeah, this is the question. Question number 5. You have to add these 3 decimal numbers. There are 3 decimal numbers. First is 19.405. This is your first number. Second number is 20.21. And the third number is 8.1. Add the numbers.
Sir, these are question 5.
Yes, this is question 5. Quickly note down the question because the meeting is about to end. So please note down the question first. All of you note down the question in your copies first. Then you can start.
I have
Sir,
written
noted.
Sorry,
Sir, written the question.
written the question. Write down the questions, all of you, and then
So, written question.
after writing down the question, you can start doing.
Sir, written the questions.
Very good. So I'm going to stop sharing the screen now.